Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge easy. First, gather your ingredients, like 2 cups of chocolate chips and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Next, prepare an 8x8-inch pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process from start to finish, making your fudge-making experience enjoyable and stress-free. Now, combine your 2 cups of chocolate chips and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat this mixture in the microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each one. Continue until the mixture is completely smooth and glossy. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the rich chocolate flavor, ensuring every bite is delicious. Once your fudge mixture is smooth and flavored, pour it into the prepared 8x8-inch pan. Use a spatula to spread the fudge evenly, creating a flat and appealing surface. This step is crucial for uniform thickness. Then, place the pan in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, or until the fudge is firm enough to cut. Patience here ensures perfect squares. After chilling, lift the fudge from the pan using the parchment paper overhang. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into 1-inch squares. This makes for perfect, bite-sized treats. Store your delicious fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or freeze it for longer enjoyment. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, easy fudge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.